Be honest for a second. Do you ever feel like no matter how hard you work, your money just disappears? You get paid, you try to save a little, and somehow by the end of the month, it's gone. You're not alone. Most people think they need more money to fix their finances. But the truth is, what they actually need is a plan. Because even if you're broke today, you can start building financial control from zero. In this video, I'll show you a simple 5-step formula to take control of your money and finally stop feeling lost every month. Let's dive in. The first step is to assess your income. Most people skip this and go straight to budgeting, but that's a mistake. Write down every source of money you have. Your job salary, side hustle, freelancing, maybe even small gifts or bonuses. When you see your total monthly income clearly, you'll know exactly what you're working with and what's possible. The second step is track every expense. Now, let's flip the coin. Where is your money going? For 1 month, track every expense. Yes, every single one. Rent, food, transport, coffee, Netflix, even that $3 bubble tea. Why? Because you can't control what you can't see. Once you track, you'll find small leaks that slowly drain your wallet. Maybe your real problem isn't low income, it's invisible spending. The third step is to set clear financial goals. Now that you know your income and expenses, it's time to set goals. Ask yourself, what do I really want my money to do for me? Do you want to build an emergency fund, pay off debt, save for your dream trip? Be specific. Don't just say, I want to save more. Say, I want to save $1,000 in 6 months. Specific goals make you focus and motivate you when things get tough. Step 4, build your emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. A medical bill, job loss, or car repair can mess up your plans. That's why you need an emergency fund, your financial safety net. Start small if you have to. Aim for $1,000 first, then slowly grow it to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This fund keeps you calm during bad times and stops you from falling back into debt. Final step, automate your savings. Here's where things get magical. Automation. When your savings happen automatically, you remove emotion and willpower from the equation. Set up auto transfers on payday, so a fixed amount goes straight to your savings or investment account before you can spend it. This is called paying yourself first. Do it, and you'll build wealth quietly in the background, even if you don't feel rich right now. Let's recap. 1. Know where your money comes from. 2. Track every expense. 3. Set clear goals. 4. Build your emergency fund. 5. Automate your savings. That's it. 5 simple steps that can completely change your relationship with money. Remember, you don't need to be rich to start planning, but you do need to start planning to become rich. And if you'd like me to make a video on how to build an emergency fund from scratch, let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a money plan too.